Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got another 6 cents unboxing for tonight. So I got an order in the other day. I'm going to go through and then I'm going to go through the soft plastic bundle that they have on their website, on the 6 cents website. We'll go through and see what came in that. First thing, I got this from somebody. Something that's kind of different and neat that you won't see on the website, I guess, but it is the Provoke jerk bait, but it's got a little tail spinner on the back. So that's pretty cool. He made that. Wanted to see how that'll do, and then it's a 6 cents Divine swim jig. And he added the spinner to the front of it. Just give it a little more flash, a little more action. So that's kind of neat. Something that I look forward to trying. Something you don't see every day. And then I also got this koozie. 6 cents fishing koozie. So that's what I got from him. And then to what I ordered. So I got one of these casting rod sleeves. Go onto the rod. I got a green one and then this camo style leopard print, cheetah print. This is what it looks like out of the box. Then it's got this nice little cable to secure to your reel and pull it tight so it doesn't slip off. Okay, I got this black bag here. Full of some different things that I have been needing. So let's dive in. First thing we got here are the 4.4 Pro Shad Divine Swim Baits. 4.4 inch, these are the biggest ones. That color is Pro Shad. I'll probably throw them like on my underspin or something. JK. And then I got a pack of the Clearwater Rose. These are the 3.8s. Clearwater Rose. I went ahead and got 2 of those. 2 packs of those. And then I got the Pro Shad in the 3.8s. A little smaller size. Then I picked up the Green Pumpkin Juice Clouts. Can't beat the Clouts. Nice bait. I got a pack of their flipping hooks. I don't use flipping hooks to flip. I just like to use them when I'm punching grass, so. Or flipping grass mainly, just grass fishing. Otherwise, I like an EWG hook. So I got a pack of those, and I got a pack in the last 6 cents Super 6 sack. So I'll have 2 packs of those mainly. Then I got a pack of the Green Pumpkin Burst Stroker Craws. I like the Stroker Craws. And the Watermelon Candy Stroker Craws. I think I got 2 packs of that color. Yeah, 2 packs of the Watermelon Candy. So that wraps up the things I ordered in that, and then this will be the unboxing of the soft plastic bundle that you can get on their website. It came in this light blue bag, and this is what comes in there. So it came with a pack of Junebug Red clouts. Clouts in the Junebug Red. The 3.2 Ghost Ice Minnows. These are pretty good right now. You put these on an A-rig, and they've been catching some big ones. Like that one. Green Pumpkin Blue Shaky Head. This is the 6.3 inch. That's the size I usually throw year round. And that color is really good too. The Green Pumpkin Blue. Just got green pumpkin with some blue flake in it. This is a pretty good deal. Comes with a lot of plastic for a pretty good price. The Green Pumpkin Ned Fry. Can't beat Green Pumpkin or the Ned Fry. And then it came with the Flush. Bluegill Magic Flush. This is their 5.2 inch soft plastic jerkbait. And I have fished this before and I like it. It's got good action. It fishes very well. So that wraps up the 6 cents unboxing. That is the soft bait bundle, soft plastic bundle, and then the stuff I ordered. So appreciate y'all tuning in for this unboxing video, and if you haven't already, go ahead and jump back and check out some of the other videos I posted. We got the first tournament from 2022 posted on there, and I'll have another video posting after this one here shortly, and that'll be right before our next tournament, which will be next weekend. So stay tuned for all that content coming up. It's gonna be a busy season this year, so we'll have a lot of good videos. Appreciate everybody watching though. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.